Everywhere you look, data science is growing. Everywhere you turn, there is a new product popping up that collects massive amounts of data about people living their lives, driving in their cars, checking into their hotels, ordering pizza online. Some larger companies have started to use algorithms and artificial intelligence to do their work for them, instead of relying on experience and human decisions. Data science is a skill that is evolving at a rapid speed. It has become almost essential in everyday life, as well as key in the spheres of business and finance. To help you grasp more about what data science is and how can it help you, below are just some of the ways that this amazing science can prove to be useful to you in your everyday life. Face recognition in mobile phones. Have you ever wondered if computers can identify these faces? Yes. Smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S22 and the iPhone 14 are capable of biometric face recognition and match. This technology is not restricted to just a couple of high-end handsets produced by Samsung, Apple, and other established mobile phone manufacturers. As smartphones make their way into our daily lives, mobile phones that include this software will begin to increase in order to catch up with the demand of everyday people in search of quick and efficient means to capture faces. The face recognition feature in Android mobiles is based on machine learning techniques using the help of a face recognition model, which is trained to remember your face and recognize it. For the training process, many pictures of faces are taken from a database and stored. The data of each person's face is saved and noted as training data in this database. 2. Spam detection. Spam detection is the process of identifying unwanted messages and preventing them from reaching others or even delivering them to the inbox of their recipients. It comes in different forms for different contexts: email spam, chatbot spam, social media spam, app spam, and malicious software. While advanced spam detection algorithms have been heavily used to cope with this new form of communication by using machine learning methods and other advanced data science techniques. 3. Credit card approval. Credit card approval decisions are made by a computer program that uses a machine learning algorithm to predict whether a customer is likely to default on their payments. The algorithm builds up a profile of each customer based on their previous transactions, income, address, and more. It then uses this profile to predict whether they will default or not. The software allows banks and other financial institutions to approve customers without having to evaluate every single applicant manually because it uses an algorithm that predicts whether each applicant will default or not based on their previous transactions, income, and other factors such as age, etc. 4. Fraud detection. Fraud detection is one of the most common uses of data science. Fraud detection is a very broad term, but it encompasses many different techniques and applications. Some methods include credit card fraud detection. If a credit card is used in a location where the cardholder has never been, this could be a sign of fraud. The same goes for large purchases made by someone who normally spends less than $100 per month on their credit card. These types of anomalies can be detected by comparing location data to spending history and other factors such as time of day, seasonality, etc. Insurance fraud detection. A person may file a claim for an accident that never happened or exaggerate the severity of an injury so that they receive more money from their insurance company. Data science can help detect these cases by looking at claims over time and alerting when there is an unusual spike in claims. For example, if someone has filed multiple claims over the last 3 years but none before or after this period, then there may be something suspicious going on. Phishing attack detection. Phishing attacks are another type of fraud that is increasingly common today due to the rise in popularity of social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, and also because they can be very lucrative. 5. Driverless cars. In the past few years, we have seen a lot of machine learning and data science technologies being used in our daily lives. Data science is an interdisciplinary field with connections to both computer science and statistics. Data scientists use tools from both fields to extract knowledge from data, turning information into insight. One of the most popular uses of data science is in driverless cars. Just like humans, machines need to understand what is happening around them and make decisions based on that information. For example, if a car is driving at night and it detects another car in front of it, it needs to decide whether to accelerate or slow down. It can make this decision by analyzing the trajectory of other cars in its vicinity and its own speed limit. If it detects another car approaching quickly from behind, then it should slow down immediately because stopping suddenly would lead to an accident. If you look closely at driverless cars, you will see that they have sensors everywhere, cameras, laser scanners, GPS transceivers, etc., so they can collect data about their environment. This data helps them make better decisions when navigating through traffic or finding parking spots during rush hour. 6. Healthcare analysis. The healthcare industry is one of the most data-heavy industries, with the healthcare analytics market expected to reach $29 billion by 2022. Healthcare organizations are using data science to improve their business and patient experience. In fact, data science has already made significant impacts on all aspects of healthcare delivery, from improving patient care to reducing costs. Data science can be used in a variety of ways in the healthcare sector, including improving patient experiences by creating personalized care plans for each patient based on their needs and history, improving the overall quality of care through predictive models that identify at-risk patients and prevent complications before they happen, reducing costs by optimizing staffing decisions, reducing unnecessary treatments, and maximizing revenue. Data science is playing a key role in every industry and benefiting mankind. It is used by scientists to study the planet, by artists to create new art forms, by doctors to understand diseases, by designers to create better products, by marketers to understand customers, and so on. Data science can be applied anywhere where there is data available. Hope you found this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.